Lisa with WTI. Who wouldn't want a masseuse to take care of their body aching, any soreness or tight muscles? I would, but since I cannot afford one daily, I got this high density foam roller. This works great when you have soreness due to exercise, any muscle aching, for example, lower back pain or tight muscles. I love using this for my hamstrings, especially on a lower body workout. I also love using this for my quads. It works great. I love that this foam roller, it's very unique since it's very durable and it doesn't squish or flatten. You can put as much weight every day and it's not gonna be affected. You'll see that it's sturdy, it's very hardy, and it's amazing. This has really helped my husband and I to relieve our pain due to exercise or any tightness of muscle. I wouldn't change this for anything. So if you want your home masseuse every day, you should get one of these. And that's my point of view.